Excuse me, please help me, excuse me. In the name of Allah, please help me. Ma'am, please help me. Ma'am, please listen.
Please,
Ma'am,
leave
please.
me. Then take this.
Ma'am, it is 21st century and you are giving me only one note. Ma'am, you don't know. I haven't eaten anything since morning.
Well, which work do you do?
Ma'am, I beg all the day, but really it's not enough.
Oh, this is the reason of your poverty. You need to understand. I don't have much, but I can share what I have. Take this. Here is a contact number. Is mentioned on it. Contact on this number. This is my site. If you know about computer tools, so 70% chances he will hire you and you will earn from there respectfully.
Ma'am, by looking at me, do you really think that I am able to do such expensive courses?
Sorry, that's not difficult. There are some institutions who offers completely free courses.
Really, ma'am? I'll definitely go there and I'll consider it. Thank you so much, ma'am. You don't know how much it means to me.
Anyway, that is what humanity is, helping others and spreading kindness.
Humanity doesn't need money or power. It only needs
a kind heart.